Now we will start exercise 5.2, question number 4. Read question number 4 carefully. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Means we have given AP. हमें AP given है 3, 8, 13. The AP is 3, 8, 13 and 18 dash 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 is 78. What is the meaning of this one? This is the last term and this is the first term. But here is mentioned which term. I already told you that if it is mentioned that which term means an is given to us and we have to find out n. An is given when which term is mentioned. Which term mentioned means an is given and n to find out. And now simply in this question, here is A is equal to 3, A means A1 and A2 is equal to 8, and from here we will find D. A2 minus A1, A2 is 8, here is A2 A1 is 3 is equal to 5. So D is equal to 5. And here is 78. 78 is AN. AN is equal to 78. So now which term means N is question mark. N question mark mean we have to find out. We have to find out. That mean, and now here, and what is this? AN. AN is equal to 78, and put the value of AN, formula of AN, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 78. Now put the value of A, D, and we will calculate the N. Now find out fast. Now check your answer. A is 3 plus N minus 1 into my D, and D is 5 is equal to 78. Open bracket means 3. First we have to need not to open bracket. First here is 3 plus and that will be of minus. Sign will change. N minus 1 into my 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. And 78 minus 3 is equal to 75. Here is n minus 1 into my 5. 5 is multiplied here and that will be divide. N minus 1 is equal to 75 upon my 5 and it is equal to 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. That means n is equal to 15 plus 1. Here is minus and transfer करेंगे तो plus हो जाएगा. तो n is equal to 16. तो आंसर इज therefore n is equal to 16. This is the answer of question number 4. अब ऐसे करेंगे question number 5. Find the number of term means if we have given which term and find the number of term, the method is same. Means we have to find out number of term in each of the following. We have to find out number of term means n निकालना है. And the sequence is 7, 13, 19 and 205. Here is first part. Fifth question is find the number of term means we have to find out n. There are two parts in each following AP 7, 13, 19, 205. And the first part is find number of term. Number of term we have to find out. Number of A part, first part. Number of term is equal to question mark. Mean n we have to find out. We have to find out. ये हमें निकालना है. And how? And the sequence is AP given है हमें 17, 13, 19 and dash 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 205. And we know very well A1 is equal to A equal to 7, A2 is equal to 13 and A1 is given to us, A2 is given to us, then we will calculate D. A2 minus A1 and A2 is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So D is equal to 6. This is D and this is A. Now we have given A and we calculate D, and this is AN. So AN is given to us. AN is equal to 205. And now we have to apply the formula of AN. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 205, and put the value of A and D, and then we will calculate N. Similar to question number this one. Now put the value of A. What is A? A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D. What is D? D is 6 is equal to 205. And then 7 is transferred from left to right. N minus 1 into 6 is 205 minus 7. And then we have to subtract and divide. Similar to, and do yourself. Is it clear? And the second part is same as question number 4. And now question number 6. What is question number 6? Check whether minus 105 means we have to check कि minus 105 is the term of the AP 11, 8, 5 or 2. Means is it possible that minus 150 is the term of this AP? Means whether it is AP or not. How we can find out? We have to assume it is the term of an AP. ये AP की टर्म हम एज्यूम करेंगे और जिसे हम क्या लेट कर लेंगे AN. अगर N होल नंबर में आता है तो टर्म इज एग्जिस्ट. इफ द N इज इन डेसिमल देन इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. इस कभी भी चेक आए कि ये टर्म इसकी है या नहीं है तो दैट मीन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट N एंड द गिवन वैल्यू वी हैव टू एज्यूम AN. जो हमें गिवन होगी उसे AN लेंगे और N हम निकालेंगे. अगर N होल नंबर में आता है तो इट इज राइट. अगर N होल नंबर में नहीं आता तो इट इज रॉन्ग. तो दैट मीन 150 वी विल एज्यूम AN. हियर इज 11, 8, 5, 2. हियर इज 11, 8, 5 and 2. Means we have to check minus 150 is term of this AP. Term of this AP. We have to check. So first we will do, we have to find out this is A. A is equal to A1, A equal to 11. And now A2 is equal to 8. A1 and A2 is given to us, and from here we will calculate D. And D is A2 minus A1, and then D is equal to, what is A2? A2 is 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. So that means D is equal to minus 3. And this will be, we have to assume AN. We have to assume AN. So that means AN is equal to minus 150. And same procedure or method we will accept it. What is AN? We have to apply formula. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to minus 150. And which term means we have to find out N question mark. N is question mark. जो हमें निकालना है. A, what is A? A is given 11 दे रखा है plus N minus 1. What is D? D is minus 3. If the D is negative value, then we have to put inside the bracket. We have to put inside the bracket, and which is equal to minus 150. Here is 11 plus, and that will be transfer, and it will be negative. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150 and minus 11. And N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 161. ये minus multiply and that will be transfer to the right hand side. It will divide. ये इधर multiply है और यहाँ आके divide हो जाएगा. तो n minus 1 is equal to minus 161 upon में minus 3. This minus will cut. And that mean I think it is in whole, it is in decimal or in fraction. N minus 1 is equal to 161 upon में 3. So N is equal to 161 upon में 3 plus 1. And now we have to solve by taking LCM. What is LCM? 3. Here is 161 plus 3 1 जा 3. This will be 164 upon में 3. And this is in whole number. Oh, sorry, in fraction. तो n is in fraction or it may be decimal fraction. Therefore, minus 150 is not term of this AP. Is it clear? And now this is the question number 6. And now move to question number 7. Here is question number 7. Find the 31st term. Means what we have to find out? 31st term means we have to find out 31st term. Here is question number 7. Find the 31st term. Find 31st term means A31 is question mark. We have to find out of AP whose 11 term. 11 term means A11 is 38. 11 term is 38 and 16th term is 77. 16th term means A16. Find the 31st term. A31 is question mark. A31 is question mark and 11 term is 38. 11 term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 16th term means A16. A16 is equal to 73. And now we know very well A11 means A plus 10D. How? Here A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. So it means A plus 10D. It is A11. ये आपको पता है कि अगर AN हमारे पास है तो A plus N minus 1 into में D. तो D का जो कोफिशिएंट होगा वो N से 1 कम होगा. तो A11 means A plus 10D. This is A11 is equal to 38. Equation number first. And this is A16. A16 means A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is equation number second. And now we have to simplify it by the elimination. So it means solve by method of elimination or substitution. एलिमिनेशन और बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन. इसे हम किसे करेंगे? या तो एलिमिनेशन से करेंगे या सब्स्टिट्यूशन से करेंगे. बट आई एम सॉल्विंग इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is equal to 73. एलिमिनेशन करने के लिए व्हाट वी डू? चेंज द साइन. हेयर इज माइनस, हेयर इज माइनस, हेयर इज माइनस. सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? दिस A विल कट दिस 10D प्लस का एंड ये 15D माइनस का. तो D इज सेम. तो 10 माइनस 15 माइनस 5 और ये D इज इक्वल टू, देखो 10 प्लस का है, 15 माइनस का है. 10 इज पॉजिटिव, 15 इज नेगेटिव. एक प्लस एक माइनस, एक प्लस एक माइनस. तो बड़ी वैल्यू में से छोटी वैल्यू क्या कर देंगे? माइनस. मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 10 फ्रॉम 15. 10 को माइनस करेंगे 15 से. If we subtract 10 from 15, the answer is 5. 15 में से 10 माइनस करेंगे तो 5 आएगा एंड 5 इज नेगेटिव. क्यों? बड़ी वैल्यू क्या है? नेगेटिव. इज इक्वल टू 38 छोटा है, 73 बड़ा है. तो 73 माइनस का, 38 प्लस का. तो इसे माइनस करेंगे. मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 38 फ्रॉम द 73. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 5 एंड 35. हेयर इज माइनस 35. एक प्लस एक माइनस. ध्यान से रखना बेटे. ए प्लस एक माइनस, एक प्लस एक माइनस मीन माइनस, लेकिन साइन इज ऑफ ग्रेटर वैल्यू. तो D इज इक्वल टू माइनस 35. ये माइनस का इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ये प्लस नहीं होगा, इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ये मल्टीप्लाई है, ये ऐसे नहीं करना. D इज इक्वल टू माइनस 35 प्लस 5. इट इज रॉन्ग. ये मल्टीप्लाई है. माइनस 5 इज मल्टीप्लाइड टू D. तो ये माइनस 5 इधर जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ये नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कट. तो 5 1 जा 5, 5 7 जा 35. तो D इज इक्वल टू 7. D मेरे पास क्या आ गया? 7 आ गया. डी 7 आ गया। अब निकालना क्या है, ए। पुट वैल्यू ऑफ डी इक्वल टू 7 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में रखेंगे। एंड इक्वेशन फर्स्ट इज ये रही, ए प्लस 10d इज इक्वल टू 38। तो व्हाट इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, ए प्लस 10d इज इक्वल टू 38। व्हाट इज ए की वैल्यू क्या है पता नहीं है, प्लस 10, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डी इज 7 इज इक्वल टू 38। देखो 7 रख दिया, ए प्लस 10 इंटू 7 70 इज इक्वल टू 38। ये प्लस इधर जाके माइनस, तो बोलिए क्या करें, ए इज इक्वल टू 38 माइनस 70। तो ए इज इक्वल टू, इसमें से इसको क्या करेंगे माइनस, एक प्लस एक माइनस। अगर एक प्लस है एक माइनस है तो क्या करेंगे माइनस, और साइन किसका आएगा, माइनस का आएगा। क्यों, क्योंकि बड़ी वैल्यू किसकी है, माइनस की। 70 में से 38 क्या करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे। 70 में से 38 माइनस करेंगे, 70 में से 38 गया 32, और साइन किसका आएगा, माइनस का। इट इज माई ए इज इक्वल टू 32। और निकालना है क्या हमारे को, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, ए 31। तो ए 31 इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला ऑफ ए 31, ए प्लस 30 डी, ए प्लस 30 डी। तो ए 31 इज इक्वल टू ए, व्हाट इज ए, माइनस 32 प्लस 30, एंड डी, व्हाट इज डी, 7। एंड नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड डी, we will obtain या get minus 32, here is plus 7 to 210 30 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 210, एक प्लस एक माइनस। तो बड़े में से वैल्यू छोटी क्या करेंगे, माइनस। ए 31 इज इक्वल टू 210 में से 32 क्या किया, माइनस। दिस इज 8, कैरी ऑन 0 एंड 7 178। तो इस दैट मीन ए 31 इज इक्वल टू 178, एंड दिस इज योर आंसर। And this is question number 7. And now we will move to question number 8. Here is question number 8. Question number 8. An AP consists 50 term. It is mentioned that AP consists 50 term. It means total number of terms are 50. तो इसका मतलब n हमें गिवन है 50, तो n इज इक्वल टू 50। तो वी हैव टू पुट n इज इक्वल टू 50। n इज इक्वल टू 50 मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टर्म कितनी है, 50 है। तो n इज इक्वल टू 50। एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑफ विच थर्ड टर्म इज 11। थर्ड टर्म मीन्स A3। तो A3 इज इक्वल टू 11, A3 इज इक्वल टू 12, A3 इज इक्वल टू 12। And the last term is 106. Last term means AN. Listen carefully. Last term means AN is 106. Last term is 106. And find the 29th term. So what we have to find out? 29th term. A29. A29 is question mark. A29 is question mark. A29 we have to find out. हमें A29 निकालना है। अब जरा ध्यान से सुनना बेटे, A3 इज इक्वल टू 12 जो हमें दे रखा है, एंड AN इज ऑल्सो गिवन, मीन्स लास्ट टर्म इज 106, बट हेयर n इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू अस। n वी हैव गिवन एंड विच इज इक्वल टू 50। तो इस n की जगह वी विल पुट 50 इन प्लेस ऑफ n 106। दैट मीन A50 इज इक्वल टू 106 और A3 इज इक्वल टू 12, and we have to find out A20. And now tell me, A3 is equal to 12. So A3 formula, what is the formula of A3? A plus 2D is equal to 12, and this will be equation number first. And A50 is equal to 106. A50 means A plus 49D is equal to 106, and this is equation number second. ये पहली इक्वेशन और ये सेकंड इक्वेशन, दोनों को क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड इक्वेशन सेकंड। किससे, बाय एलिमिनेशन से। एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व बाय द मेथड ऑफ एलिमिनेशन। सॉल्व करिए फटाफट। a प्लस 2d इज इक्वल टू 12 और a प्लस 49d इज इक्वल टू 106। इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट, इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड। डू इट फास्ट एंड you know it very well how we have to solve. Here is 49D. Now solve by method of elimination. Then change the sign. When we change sign, here is minus, here is minus, here is minus. So a plus 2d is equal to 12, a plus 49d is equal to 106, minus, minus and minus. And now solve it. Solve it fast. How we can solve it? A plus 2d is equal to 12, a plus 49d is equal to 106. And now solve it by method of elimination. Solve. A will cut and here is 2d. 2d is positive and 49d is negative. 2d is positive, 49d is negative. Then we have to subtract minus 47d minus 47d is equal to, we have to subtract 106 minus and 12 plus. We have to subtract, this will be 4 and 94. Here is minus 94. So d is equal to minus 94 upon my minus 47. Minus minus cut 47 and this will 2. So d is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. And now this value of d, put value of d is equal to 2 in equation. This is equation first and this is equation second. In equation first, a plus 2d is equal to 12 and now put the value of d at here. d की वैल्यू यहाँ 2 रखेंगे तो क्या आएगा? a plus 2 into d is 2 is equal to 12. a plus 2 to the 4 is equal to 12. a is equal to 12. Here is plus and that will be minus. a is equal to 8. So that means a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 2. And we have to find out, what we have to find out? We have to find out a 29. Which value we have to find out? a 29. a 29 means a plus 28d. 28 how? a plus 29 minus 1 into d. What is the value of a? This is 29. What is the value of a? 8 plus this is 28 into my 2. And here is 8 plus 28 into 2. This will be 56. And that will be a29. a29 is equal to 56 plus 8, 64. This is your answer of question number 8. And after that we will solve question number 9. Question number 9. What is question number 9? Check it. If the third term and ninth term of AP are 4 and minus s respectively. Here is the meaning of respectively means first is related to first term, second is related to second term. Means A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. Third term is 4, ninth term is minus 8. So A, third term is 4 means A3 is equal to 4 and ninth term means A9 is equal to minus 8 respectively means 4 related to third. Look at here. It means third term is 4 and ninth term is minus s. अगर जो पहले दे रखा है रिस्पेक्टिवली लिखा है तो पहले का लिंक पहले से, दूसरे का लिंक दूसरे से. फर्स्ट इज कोरिलेट विद द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड सेकेंड इज कोरिलेट विद द सेकेंड वैल्यूज. It means A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. Which term of AP is 0? Which term of AP is 0? If it is mentioned which term of AP is 0, which term of AP is 0, if it is given, जब भी which term of AP given is 0 है, that means which term means n निकालना है. We have to find out n, but an is equal to 0. If it is mentioned which term of AP 0 लिखा हुआ है, तो an is equal to 0. an is given 0, तो n we have to find out. And now we have to solve the same method. कैसे? A3 is equal to 4. A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 4. So that means A plus 2D is equal to 4. This is equation number first. And similarly A9 is equal to minus 8. And you know 8, 9 A9, A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. 8D, how 8D? 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1. This is equation number second. Solve first and second. Solve first and second. By which method? By elimination. By elimination. It means A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is first equation and this is second equation. ये पहली इक्वेशन और ये सेकंड इक्वेशन. अब दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे एंड इसके बाद सॉल्व करने के बाद एंड यू नो सॉल्व योर सेल्फ. फिर उसके बाद किसकी वैल्यू? ए और डी की वैल्यू आएगी. ए एंड डी की वैल्यू. फाइंड ए एंड डी. फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड डी. फिर ए और डी की वैल्यू वी विल पुट वेयर? हेयर इज ए एन. ए डी की वैल्यू इससे निकल जाएगी एंड देन ए एन इज इक्वल टू 0. देन ए एन इज इक्वल टू 0. ए एन मीन्स a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. तो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड d. जो आपने ऊपर वैल्यू निकाली है ये डू योर सेल्फ. दिस इज डू योर सेल्फ. इट इज सेम एज प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. तो a और d की वैल्यू इसमें पुट कर देंगे. वी विल ऑब्टेन द वैल्यू ऑफ n. हमें किसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी? n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. इज इट क्लियर? अगर ये देखा जाए तो d की वैल्यू दैट विल बी 4 आएगी. जो भी निकलेगा बेटे पुट एट हियर एंड देन after putting the value of AD, find n. Find n. ये निकल जाएगा and you to yourself. अगर if any doubt then you can ask. Question number 10. And the question number 10 is the 17th term of AP. 17th term of AP means A17 exceed mean minus. Exceed mean जनरली वी कैन यूज ऑल्सो प्लस. हम प्लस भी यूज कर सकते हैं बट देखो आसान हो जाएगा. A17 मीन 17th टर्म मीन A17 एक्सीड की जगह माइनस. इट्स 17th टर्म सॉरी 10th टर्म मीन्स A10 बाय. इन स्टेटमेंट प्रॉब्लम फॉर हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड बाय वी विल यूज्ड जनरली दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 7 मीन्स 17th टर्म 10th टर्म से 7 ज्यादा है. मीन्स A17 minus A10 is equal to 7 and find the common difference. Here is mentioned. What is mentioned? 17th term exceed 10th term by 7. So it means A17 exceed minus A10 is equal to 7. And now put the value of A17. What is A17? A plus 17 minus 1 into D bracket close minus A10 mean A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. And your answer is A plus 17 minus 1 16D minus this is in bracket. फिर bracket A plus 10 minus 1 9 and this is D is equal to 7. Here is minus and open bracket. A plus 16D minus A. Here is minus. Here is plus. When there will be a sign of negative outside the bracket, bracket से बाहर अगर माइनस का साइन है that mean the term or the value which are inside the bracket they will change their sign. Automatically their sign will change. तो ये माइनस है तो ये भी माइनस. ये प्लस माइनस दिस विल बी माइनस 9D is equal to 7. This A will cut. 16D minus 9D. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. इसके बाद निकालिए अपने आप. 16 minus 1 7D is equal to 7. तो D is equal to 7 upon में 7 which is equal to 1. Then common difference is 1. This is the question number 10. And move to question number 11. Now I will ask from you to solve the question, some part from your side. And you can solve or not. This is question number 10 and question number 11. Here is question number 11. Read carefully question number 11. Which term? Again which term? Which term means an. And n हमें निकालना है. Which term means an is given. Of an AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be means equal to. जो बोला है उसे लिखते जाना है. Here is AP 13, AP is 3, 15, 27 and 39. देखिए 3, 15, 27 and 39 dash dash dash. What the question is saying? Listen carefully. Which term? Here is which term? Here is which term? Which term means an. Which term means an of AP will be means equal to, this is AP, an equal to will be 132 more, 132 more mean plus 132 ज़्यादा mean plus 132, then 58th term means 54th term means which term of AP will be means equal to 132 more than 54th term. कौन सी टर्म 54 से 132 ज़्यादा है, 132 ज़्यादा है, 132 ज़्यादा है. It mean which term means an is will be means equal to 132 more mean 132 more. Listen carefully. 132 more, 132 ज़्यादा है. More mean plus किससे? 54 से. And AP is given to us. Means which term of this AP, इस AP की nth term is 132 more than 54th term. 132 more than 54th term. So we have to apply an. Here first we have to know what is A. A1 is equal to A equal to 3 and A2 is equal to 15. A1 is given to 3, A2 is given to us 15. So here we will find D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. And then A2 minus A1 means, what is A2? 15 minus A1 is 3. 15 minus 3, this is 12. So D is equal to 12. It is 12. D is 12 and A1, A2 is given to us. And now we know the formula of AN. AN is equal to, we know A plus N minus 1 into D. And A54 is equal to A plus 54 minus 1 into D. And then we have 54 minus 1 means A plus 53D. And here is the question, means which term means according to question. And now which term means AN is equal to 132 more than 54th term. And now we have to put the formula of AN. What is AN? Here is AN. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to A53, A plus 53D plus 132. And now this A will cut. And what is left? N minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? Now put the value of D. D is 12. Here we will put 12. And that will be, here we will is equal to 53 multiply 12 plus 132. N minus 1 into में 12 is equal to 53 multiplied by 12. 53 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 53 into 12 it is 6 और ये 0 and here is 53. This is 6, 3 and 6 and that will be 636 plus 132 and we have to add. Now we have to add. N minus 1 into 12 is equal to, we have to add, this will be 8 and this will be 9 and this will be 7. And now find the value of n. Do yourself. निकाले फटाफट. Find the value of n which we have to find out. And this will be open, need not to open bracket. मुझे लग रहा है आपने निकाल दिया होगा बेटे. ये मल्टीप्लाई है इधर जाके डिवाइड. n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 798 अपॉन में 12 एंड 798 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 कट कर दीजिए. 6 दिस विल बी, इट विल बी cut. 12 1 ja 70. Here is 7 9 8. We have to divide by 12. 12 6 72. Here is 7 and here is 8. Here is 8 and this is 6. Sorry. Here is 6. 6 3 8. 3 3 6 7. 768. 768. And now 12 1 and 6 72 and this will be 4. This is 768. Here is 768. एडिशन थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया था, चेक करना बेटे. n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 64. तो n इज इक्वल टू 64 प्लस 1 n इज इक्वल टू 65. तो कौन सी टर्म 65 टर्म विल बी 132 मोर देन 54 टर्म. जो 65वीं टर्म है वो 54th टर्म से 132 ज़्यादा होगी. एंड नाउ वी विल मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Two APs have same common difference. Here are two APs and they have same common difference. Mean D is same. Let one AP be. Let first AP is, that will be A small A and that will be A1, A2, A3 and A4 dash dash dash, and they have same common difference. Means same common difference. What is the meaning of means A2 minus A1? A2 minus A1 means A2 minus A1. This is the same common difference which is equal to D. This is the common difference for the first AP. And the let second AP and second AP we have to assume A1 capital, A2, A3 and A4 dash dash dash, and the common difference of this AP A2 minus A1, it is also D. Why? Because this first AP and second AP both have common difference is same. If the common difference for first AP is D and the common difference for the second AP is also D, this is same. And now what the question is next saying, if, please listen carefully, if the difference of the 100 term is 100, अगर 100 term का difference 100 है तो what is the difference of 1000 term? Means the difference of 100 term of this AP and this AP, and the 100 term is A100 and there is 100 term is A100. This AP and this AP we are assuming that this is finite AP. इसका 100 term means 100 term of this AP and 100 term of this AP is same. तो इसका मतलब difference of 100th term of AP, both AP 100 term, the difference of their of APs कौन से both is 100. दो AP, एक फर्स्ट और एक सेकंड, दोनों की 100 टर्म का डिफरेंस 100 है. मीन्स A100 माइनस स्मॉल A100 इज इक्वल टू दैट इज 100. अब ये ध्यान रखना, आप पहले भी ले सकते हो, स्मॉल पहले ले सकते हो, कैपिटल बाद में. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला. A100 मीन्स, नाउ दिस इज A1 मीन्स A100 मीन्स कैपिटल A प्लस 100 minus 1 into D, and D is same. This is D minus, and here is A100, small a plus 100 minus 1 into common difference. Common difference is same. This is 100. And this is A plus 100 minus 1, 90, 90 minus, this is small a plus minus minus, and 100 minus 1, sorry, plus, first you put bracket, 100 minus 1, 99, D is equal to 100. And now here is minus, we will open bracket, a plus 99D minus a minus 99D is equal to 100. And this 99 will cut. A minus small a is equal to 100. It means difference of their first term. Difference of their first term is 100. So now we have to find out A 1000 minus 1000. We have to, this value we have to find out. And now again we have to apply formula. A1000 mean a plus n minus 1. We have to apply an means a plus n minus 1 into d, same as at here. And an means a plus n minus 1 into d. But here is n 1000. Here is n 1000. Here n is 1000. So what is a plus 1000 minus 1 into d, bracket close, and again minus a plus 1000 minus 1 into d. This we have to find out. And again a plus 1000 minus 1 999 d, bracket, minus a 1000 minus 1 999 d. And this will be a plus 999 d minus a minus 999 d. This will cut. And again this is a minus capital A, which is equal to, this is 100. ये देखो, this is first. And ये a minus a 100 कहाँ से? From equation first. That will be a 1000 minus a 1000. अगर कभी भी एक MCQ का क्वेश्चन आता है डायरेक्ट, अगर वो पूछता है कि दो APs हैं एंड दे आर 58th टर्म 48th टर्म, कोई भी दो टर्म का डिफरेंस अगर 9 है 10 है 100 है, इन दो टर्म का सेम टर्म मीन अगर 50th टर्म इसकी है तो 58th टर्म इसकी है, दोनों का डिफरेंस अगर 100 है या 50 है तो कोई भी टर्म का डिफरेंस होगा वो हमेशा सेम रहेगा. यहां पर देखो 100 टर्म का डिफरेंस 100 है तो 1000 टर्म का डिफरेंस 1000 नहीं रहा, 1000 टर्म का भी डिफरेंस 100 ही रहेगा, 1 लाख टर्म का भी डिफरेंस 100 ही रहेगा, 200 टर्म्स का भी डिफरेंस 100 रहेगा. अगर कभी भी एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है एमसीक्यू में, यू कैन पुट डायरेक्ट आंसर, नीड नॉट टू. अगर ये क्वेश्चन होता इफ द डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर 100 टर्म इज 10, यहां पर 10 होता तो 1000 टर्म का भी डिफरेंस 10 ही रहेगा. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 and remaining question we will do in next class. Please be check carefully all the and revise this question properly and try to solve the example related to this question. And now thanks for today.